Hi guys, Dr. Anthony Chaffee here, just talking about the importance of getting in the sun. So we are not troglodytes. We did not grow up in caves and underground dwellers or at the bottom of the sea. We are meant to be on the surface of the earth and actually in the sun. Obviously, within reason, you don't want to hurt yourself. But the sun's actually very important. First of all, it resets your circadian rhythm. Your brain tells what time it is by the frequency of light that's coming into your eyes through your retina. And that tells your brain what to do. It's morning time. Start your circadian rhythm, start your body clock. Your body's saying, okay, it's morning. Here are your morning hormones. In the afternoon, it's going to tell the same thing. In the evening, you watch the sunset and your body says, great, it's time for bed. It's nighttime. Here are your nighttime hormones as well. That's going to help improve your sleep. It's going to help improve your health altogether. But not only that, you want to be in the sun. You want to get sun on your skin as well. And so some studies have shown that as little as 30 minutes a day, 3 days a week, with as much skin exposure as you can in the sun, as long as you're not at a latitude that doesn't have as much UV light, you can actually improve your health, your metabolic health, and your hormonal health. For men, you can actually increase your testosterone, increase your growth hormone as well. But this is beneficial for everyone, not just men and not just women. I'm not wearing any UV block. I like to be out in the sun. I don't want to block the UV light because I want the UV light. UVA will stimulate nitric oxide, which can open up your vessels and lower your blood pressure, and they have a lot of other health benefits. So, breathing through your nose, by the way. So that's another reason to breathe through your nose as well. And then the UVB will actually stimulate vitamin D synthesis, and vitamin D actually protects you from unhealthy amounts of UV light. And the UV light, along with the red light, can actually penetrate into your body quite deeply and actually stimulate your mitochondria and improve your metabolic health and energy mobilization and generation throughout the day as well. So there are many, many reasons why this is beneficial, and not least of all, when the UV light goes into your eyes and into your retina, it actually can stimulate neural development and keep your brain sharp and working properly. So this has a lot of benefits. It's just getting out in the sun, getting out in the morning, resetting your circadian rhythm, starting your body clock, letting your body know that it's morning time and time to face the day is very, very helpful, and trying to get away from unnatural lights, the white bright lights with a lot of blue light. Your brain knows what time it is by the frequency of light coming in. So you have fake lights coming in, your brain has no idea what time it is and no idea what to do. And so there's more and more compelling evidence to suggest that this is much more serious of an issue than we've thought in the past. So something to keep in mind, guys. We're meant to be on the earth, not under the earth and under the ground and in a cave. This is also a great example of what to do if you can get an outside workspace, so you can get actually natural light. You can still do your work, you can still do your job, but you're out here in the sun getting real light instead of nasty old artificial light and blue light. So obviously you don't want to burn and damage your skin, but generally on carnivore, when you get rid of plant toxins, especially furanocoumarins that can make you UV light sensitive, and you have enough cholesterol so that you're making enough vitamin D, you don't burn as readily. Your skin can get red, but it typically doesn't burn and damage and flake. You want to make sure that you don't burn, so see how long you can be in the sun without damaging your skin. But as long as you are getting a healthy amount of sun without damaging yourself, being in the sun is a very, very healthy option. So get out and enjoy the sunshine.